we're going to introduce a new segment called Joey needs something really spicy.
I'm really tempted to just take the whole thing down.
I mean, you do you, man. I'm scared for you.
This is so stupid.
Oh, dude, the whole thing?
Uh-oh.
For the record, ever since Joe got here like a month ago, he's been going through the hot sauce wall. Every day, he just needs his little fix of hot sauce.
You know when you start to eat something and then it starts to settle? The tip of the tongue. Oh my God.
Walk it off.
Ah! That was a bad idea.
1 to 10, how are you feeling? I've seen you eat a lot of hot things, but I've never seen you in this rough a shape.
This is the best idea right here. Not as good as an idea. That's too much Chester. So that's the end of this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Brother.
Into carnivore, but
I didn't have a YouTube channel.
alright.
It's kind of good not seeing him because that just means he's doing well, you know? Yeah. I've heard, I don't think I can eat anything there. He puts, I mean, I'm sure it's good.
Dude, was there a soda box?
No, just
Give me your pants now.
I got something for you.
oh, Korean newspaper. some flavors.
Yeah. Echo.
It's a very loud doorbell. It wakes up the faithful.
Fit that.
You could what? I'm really surprised by it. It's pretty not good.
Keep my thick boy. Typical night at the Chud shop. Throwing some homemade guanciale on the new grill here. Some more, I really like that. I want to make it again, but I want to make it with rusk. And by that I mean bowl binder. Because it's a fresh sausage, and with the bowl binder, it would have a really creamy texture. And that would pair it really well with the flavors and the cheese. So, coming up! No. I go white sauce.
What happened?
You doubled up.
Perfect.
Me?
Yeah. Nice.
I needed rest on the pizza.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a brain. Another horror movie in the Chud shop. And Matt is working on his menu because he's leaving soon to go to Florida to cook. A little sponge cake action going right now.
Don't deflate the egg whites. It's all about the turn, the fold.
What do you got going over here?
Some compressed apples with a pickling liquid. And some compressed celery with ginger juice. That's gonna be for the fish dish. Whatever fish I find at the market when I get to Florida, that will be for that with some fresh ginger. I'm gonna smoke the cheeks tomorrow and then throw them under vacuum and sous vide them. That's what we're looking for right there.
Furious.
Tastes like sugar.
I like to lick the spoon. Why is it purple? You got beet powder in there?
Yeah.
Really?
Purple beet powder.
Really?
Are you tripping?
It looks purple. You've been hanging out with Evan a lot, so I'm sure you're throwing beet in something. That doesn't look purple to you?
No, it doesn't look purple.
That doesn't look purple to you? It's been a long couple of weeks, all right?
In like 3 minutes.
Casey, don't curse! Joe's channel is a family channel!
Country fried steak out at Picanha.
No, we're making, what is it? What did you say?
Chicken fried chicken.
What did you say? Steak fried chicken?
Steak fried chicken.
Or we could try it with a couple.
You want to go straight egg? That's what we did last time.
Oh shit, look at that. This is actually really good.
Chicken fried picanha, don't tell Guga. Oh, what is it doing? Oh,
Oh, okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Good?
what is it?
Liver.
Yeah.
Oh, my liver. You gotta get spiked, Joe.
You want me to, hey, Maximilian, look! Maximilian! Come here, Maxie! Maxie Zeus! Come here!
Yeah, that's good.
Strongier chickeny flavor.
Tastes like
I like it.
Watch this. Where did I learn this from? Shut that down for a little bit.
Yeah.
It's shrimp po' boy night here at the Chud shop. Yet again.
Yes, chef!
Right hand side?
Yes, chef! Secret sauce, chef?
Oh, it's such a secret. Oh, crap. It took me a long time to come up with a word that wasn't. Shrimp Mountain.
What about scalps?
From first.
Scalps. You're not gonna be able to use this footage, is that what you said?
Alright, last Friday night in the Chud shop.
It's Good Friday, not last Friday.
Oh, you're right. Sorry, it's Good Friday.
Deep Friday.
Oh, get some deep frying. Fish and chips. We're also doing some potato research, which is something I've been wanting to do for a while, where we fry up, we got Yukon Golds, Russets, and Reds, and we're gonna kind of compare and see what makes the best fish and chip.
And then you're gonna change your channel into just a fry channel.
Yeah, with a perfect British accent the whole time.
Chud's chips.
Oh, fish and chips for the lads! Sorry, all of you can.
test runs.
Test run Tuesday, every Friday, unless it's Sunday. We're at like 275, 280. Just trying to get them cooked through a little bit, start building that crust and those layers of flavor. Pat 'em dry. You gotta put the ding in there though.
He wasn't invited.
Some random dude just showed up.
I'm always invited.
More chicken wings.
Even though probably by this point.
That's why they call it flame grilled.
That is so much better than a raw Gulf oyster.
It's so easy to put all the way in your mouth.
I'm sorry I did that. Potato party, done. So far, they're fine.
Out of the two, which one do you prefer? The ones that we have so far.
I think probably the Yukons. The red ones were surprising. They're fine.
Yeah. The Golds have a more classic fry taste.
Yeah. Good texture on them. They're small. They cook easy. What do you think?
I like the red flavor, but I think the gold is definitely more of the classic fry.
Yeah. A little more
The chip.
golden.
The British chip.
But like, you can't beat like that. You know what I mean? Like that. Super crispy.
It's like puffed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
The steakhouse. It's very hot.
give us a nice taste test covered in
Yeah.
No.
for no reason at all.
Gotta happen. Gotta, man.
How's it looking?
It's good. Probably around 160, 165-ish. So I think we're gonna put this in that foil, let it get nice and shreddy. How hot do you think this is gonna be?
Right around 160.
It's pretty hot. Not too bad. Some of this in the middle here. Compact, so all that butter melts and it's not just sitting at the bottom and there's no contact with the meat. Sweet.
Beautiful.
Happy Easter.
It's not Easter till you cook the Easter bunny, folks.
So what's the plan with this? What are we gonna do?
I don't know, man. We could throw it right on the Chud box. It's already fired up. Could break it down. But Nick over here wants to do a chicken fried rabbit on Easter Sunday.
That sounds really good.
So, just gotta break it down a little bit. Contrary to popular belief, I don't break down rabbits every day.
Nice. Looks like that alien kind of face grabber.
Lil's ass. Probably one of the more popular rubs on this wall.
Yeah, we've been using this one a lot.
It's good.
It's a good one.
Shout out Fat Belly's Barbecue. Good rubs. Fried rabbit. Definitely adding that one to the menu. That's good. Looks just like chicken. Definitely got a little more chew to it. A little chewier, a little tougher, but I kind of like it. It's more like eating ribs.
I still should have given y'all a piece of this one.
That's good. That's really good.
Oh yeah.
Nice puff, boy.
Oh boy, there you go. Oh yeah.
Nice skull.
Nice, Nick. Two.
Smells like lamb.
Smells like Easter.
What's your favorite Batman of the day so far?
The Batman is probably the best, but I really enjoyed Lego Batman.
Lego Batman.
It got so many jokes in there. That was
I just want a little taco. That's really good.
Alright, so it's the end of 2 months of being here. Thanks to Brad and Nick for having me here.
It's been a lot of fun. We cooked a ridiculous amount of food. We're gonna get the list together of things we cooked. Just today alone,
Yeah.
we cooked. We
Yeah.
did some baking, we made some lamb. I mean, I'm always alone in my videos.
Same.
And it's been, you know, that's why I've been trying to shoot here more.
I think next time we've discussed we'll have a better plan for when other people come. Like the last time we talked about it, when Matt comes and I come, we'll have a better idea.
Yeah.
So we can shoot actual videos
Right.
and not just random cooking.
Yeah, like
and
since
so
you
on.
got here, the kitchen or the Chud shop has become a test kitchen.
Yeah.
And I'm like actually like working on recipes instead of just kind of winging it for the
Yeah.
first time in front of everybody, which
Yeah.
is kind of the direction I want to go.
That's the end of 2 months in the Chud shop.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah, me too. I'm ready to go home. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely, man. You're always welcome here at the old Chud shop.
Thanks for watching, and if you guys don't already follow Brad, go find him at Chud's BBQ.
Do it.
I'll see you guys later. Peace.